Hello guys, so this is at Target. We have some awesome deals. So we have the promotion of spend 50, get $15 gift card. And remember before the clearance items are not included on the promotion, but this time it's included. So I posted this on Friday regarding the clearance item in my store like the Tide and Gain. These are the big one. Regular price is 19.99 and it's clearance for 9.99. So what I grab is I grab four of the Gain for $9.99 and one of the Tide Liquid for $11.15. So total for this transaction is $51.15. We don't have any digital coupons, but we can submit our receipt on PG Good Everyday for $15 Visa. So anyway, you will pay $51.15 out of pocket for this transaction, but then you will receive $15 gift card for spending 50 and submit your receipt on PG Good Everyday for $15 Visa, making all of this for just $21.15. So here's my receipt for that transaction, guys. As you can see, I pay $51.15. Then I received the $15 gift card, and I'm going to submit on PG Good Everyday for $15 back. Then I did another transaction. For this one, guys, you can do all of you because it's not clearance item. It's regular price item. And we have some Ibotta offer. Also check if you have the Ibotta bonus. It's so easy to finish your Ibotta bonus if you're going to do some deals at Target. So for this transaction, I grabbed five of the Windex for $3.99, and we have $1 back on Ibotta, and the limit is five. I also grabbed three of the scrubbing bubbles, also $3.99, and we have $1 back on Ibotta, limit five. I also grabbed one of the Windex spray for 369 and we have $1 back on Ibotta. And if you buy three different items, you will receive additional $1 bonus. I also grabbed the Finish for 4.99 and we have $3 digital coupon and one of the Airwick for $9.99. We have $4 digital coupon. We also have $1.25 back on Ibotta and $3.90 back on Shopkick. So you will grab five Windex 1995, three scrubbing bubbles for 11.97, Airwick 9.99, Finish 4.99, and Windex 3.69. Total for your transaction is $50.59, and we have $7 digital coupon. So after all the coupons, you'll pay $43.59, but then you will receive $15 gift card for spending 50. Then submit your receipt on Ibotta for $10.25. You will also receive a $1 bonus for buying three of the Johnson and Johnson. But I also finished my $5 bonus. That's why I received a total of $6 bonus on Ibotta, and you will submit your receipt on Shopkick for $3.90, making all of this for just $8.44. So here's my receipt for that transaction. So my total is 50.79 and I have $7 digital coupon. I rolled the previous $15 gift card, then I received another $15 gift card. Then I submit my receipt on Ibotta. I received $10.25. I also received my $5 bonus and the $1 bonus for buying three of the Johnson and Johnson, and submit my receipt on Shopkick for 9.75 kicks or $3.90. So yes guys, that's all the stuff I grab at Target. Check your store if they have those clearance item and if it's still included on the promotion. But if you want to do the second transaction, you can do that as long as you have the Ibotta offer because those are not clearance items.
So check your Ibotta if you have the Ibotta offer. That's everything I got for you today, guys, for my Target haul. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And also don't forget to hit the notification down below so you will be notified once I have new video uploaded. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any great deals at Target. Once again, thank you all for watching. Have a wonderful day and see you on the next one.